I'm Anthony with Genesis Rescue Systems. I'd like to show you an effective dash displacement maneuver. The first thing we've done is gone ahead and stabilized our vehicle using the step chalk. We then came up to the door with a spreader using a vertical door crunch maneuver to gain access and open the door to get into our patient compartment. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead down to our hinges, remove the top and bottom hinge, once again using the spreader to do so. For placement of the spreader tips when removing the hinges, for the top hinge we want to be just above the hinge and just at the bottom of the A-post. That's one of the strongest points of the vehicle. For the bottom hinge, we want to go just above the hinge and then push off the back. The next step in this process is to go ahead and remove our fender from the vehicle. By doing that, we'll be able to see where we need to make our relief cuts nice and clean. To remove the fender, we want to bring our spreader into the bottom of the A-post and behind the fender, pushing the fender away from the vehicle and causing the fender to tear along the fender line. As you can see, we removed our fender panel, gaining access to the fender itself, where we're going to make a relief cut through the fender just behind the shock mechanism. We're then going to come down here and make another relief cut across this metal in the front and the back, making a nice clean cut. The third and final relief cut will be here at the bottom of the A-post. We finished our relief cuts, once again, one behind the shock mechanism, another one down low, as you can see all the way through, and the last one being at the bottom of the A-post. Clean cuts will give you a very good dash roll. The last thing we want to make sure of is that we have some cribbing against where we're going to be pushing to do the dash roll to give us a nice solid pushing surface. Now we'll go ahead and do our dash roll. As you can see, we've hyperextended this dashboard. In real-life rescue, you may not want to do this. As we know, we only live as much as we need and no more for the safety of not only the rescuer, but the patient themselves. Once again, I'm Anthony with Genesis Rescue Systems, and we thank you for watching. And whatever maneuver you may be doing, we ask that you do it safely. Thank you.